Okay. Hi guys, please ignore whatever thing you're seeing. This is not me, yeah. But just we are here for a reason, okay? So today I want to quickly roast some fish that I have in the freezer. My mom is here. I went to bring her yesterday so she can assist. I have not done this before, so I needed help. She told me what and what I can get so that we can roast the fish, which I did. Yesterday I went to her house to fetch her, okay? So I'm just going to show you guys the process, what and what we need to do to get the fish ready. So let's just dive in. All right. They do it. Okay. Call the care. Why inside the bag? In my boat.
Oh!
Fan until you see fire. This is fire.
Oh!
You did it.
Oh!
Okay.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
That's it.
We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head because there are so many things that I left unsaid. I can almost feel
Fine price right. This fish is damn very soft. The fish is too soft, man. This fish is called mullet. I don't know if I've said that in this video. This is a big size of mullet, not the biggest, so we still have bigger sizes of mullet. See my baby girl, she's asking for fish. You want fish? You want fish? Okay, grandma give her fish. Grandma will give you fish. She loves eating fish. I never see. See how soft this fish is. Come on, give her. Give her Lisa fish. Yummy. Yummy, right? Okay. Break them. Very, very soft. See flies everywhere, eh? These flies don't get respect though. Yeah? They don't know how to do something. I said they gather. Mom, not carry this and go inside. You don't do. Come, please come and carry this fish inside. Flies are too much. Okay, guys, we've come to the end of today's fish roasting section. I haven't done this before, so I'm happy I did it. Yeah, we're finally done, and it's a wrap, guys. Thank you for watching.